Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, March the 16th, 2022, the final day of the local election. Voting ends tonight. We have here three regular puzzles: the binary puzzle, Sudoku Medium, and the Sudoku mix. And I've not so good news today, because in this newspaper, I think the 3 days in a row, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you in this newspaper. No extra puzzles, no additional. I think the third day in a row. And so I must look in my archive for old puzzles that those are left, because I'm not doing all the puzzles, so half of them I will solve, so the other half, it's left for like today. All right, no puzzles, no extra puzzles, only the regular puzzles. And yesterday I've solved also an old puzzles in the edition of Friday, March the 4th. And now, the day before, the Thursday, March the 3rd, 2022, we have here one puzzle, two puzzles, three puzzles, four puzzles left. So I will do four puzzles in the additional of the edition of Thursday, March the 5th, and also these three regular puzzles. First one, the binary one. Binary number 4263. 4263. Is this correct? That's my question. Let me check. 4263. Yeah, 4263. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Then between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is number 5. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Interesting. Here, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Yeah. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Lot of thinking. Come on. Where is the opening? Yeah. 3. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3. O and a 1. Yeah. Well, in the first column, we have an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. That means we have the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. That means in one of those two boxes there's an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, let me think. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that means in this row we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay, O and a 1 there, so this box should be an O. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Okay. Alright. Then, well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. These two boxes, O or A1, we have an O here. So this should be a 1. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Correct. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 10 minutes. Could be faster. Talk too much in the beginning, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later for the Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye bye for now.